what are some of the books, the reads you would like to suggest budding entrepreneurs?
Yeah, that's a good one. Well, for reads, like there's some obvious favorites out there, like Deep Work by Cal Newport. My friend Elliot Adams turned me onto that, and it totally redefined how I structure my day. But I think there's also some less obvious books out there that have great takeaways and are also inspiring. The Boys in the Boat by Daniel James Brown. It teaches incredible lessons on resilience, hard work, and scrappiness required to win. The 38 letters from J.D. Rockefeller to his son. And it's got all of these different letters, are mostly business advice. And I think that what's interesting about this book is that these letters were intended to be private. Really enjoyed To Sell as Human by Daniel Pink. I think it's a great one to start with. I think for those that think of sales as slimy or have had bad experience with salesmen, I think that's a great one to start with. TED Talks by Chris Sanderson. This one's really good because I think it teaches you how to speak so that it's not only appealing to listeners, so that it also comes across as a story, which I think makes it more powerful.